Good evening. I'm Vicki, proud Superintendent of the Green Bay Area Public School District. Welcome to the rededication of the Marcelle Stadium, a special evening for our students, our staff, our families, and our community. In November of 2022, we came to our community with a bold ask: support a referendum to create equitable and safe learning environments across the district. You said yes, and that yes changed lives. Here at West High School, your support made possible a renovated stadium where we now stand, a new weight room addition, a beautifully renovated gymnasium, and a historically restored auditorium. These aren't just buildings, they're places where students grow, learn, compete, perform, and thrive. But this investment goes far beyond bricks and mortar. Your yes told our students, we believe in you, we see your potential, we want you to have opportunities for success, and that you matter. And I can tell you from a personal experience, our students feel that message.
Marcelle Stadium is more than just a facility for students. It is a gathering place, a place where our community comes together to cheer, to connect, and to celebrate what makes West High School and the entire community so special. Together, we are honoring our past, strengthening our present, and investing in a brighter future for all students.
This stadium represents more than turf and track, bleachers and lights. It represents pride, progress, and a possibility. It is a space where our students come to compete, to grow, and to belong. This transformation wouldn't have been possible without the support of our community. But we also pause to honor the man whose name this stadium carries, Dr. Marcelle. Dr. Marcelle faced life-altering adversity after a tragic car accident early in his medical career. Yet rather than be defined by his hardship, he chose to be defined by hope, generosity, and a deep love for West High School. And through his incredible gift, he helped lay the foundation for what we have today. His legacy remained us all that one person can make a lasting difference, no matter the obstacle they face. West students, may this space inspire you to dream big, to work hard, and never let setbacks stop you.
From the city's point of view, incredibly grateful to the school district for recognizing the needs that existed here at West High and not blinking about making the investment. But as was said, none of this is possible without city taxpayers, without district taxpayers, recognizing the value in making an investment in West High and so many other schools throughout Green Bay and throughout the district.
On behalf of the entire Green Bay Area Public School community, we thank you. Thank you for believing in our students. Thank you for investing in their future.